Today I'm going to be showing how to resolve an internet connection issue where you are unable to connect to a proxy server. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to restart the computer into safe mode. How we're going to do this is we're going to go to the start menu. We're going to left click on power, and then while holding down the shift key, left click on restart. So hold down the shift key and then left click on restart at the same time. There are different ways to get into safe mode. This is just what I have found to be one of the easier ones. Okay, so under choose an option, we want to left click on troubleshoot, left click on advanced options, left click on startup settings. Now we want to click on restart. Now we want to click on F5. This will launch safe mode with networking. Now if we have a password on this computer, we have to type it in. Okay, so now we are in safe mode. Now we want to right click on the start button, left click on run. Now we want to type in regedit, regedit, then left click on OK. I'm going to blow this up full screen here. Now we want to go underneath the directory H key current user, so left click on this little arrow. Now we want to click on the little arrow next to software. Now the one next to Microsoft. Now we want to go down here. Let me just make this window a little bit wider. So we want to go down to Windows, click on this little arrow, then click on the little arrow next to current version. Now we want to left click on internet settings. Now we want to delete proxy enable and proxy server. So under proxy enable, you can either click on the delete key on your keyboard or right click on it and left click on delete. We want to confirm that we want to delete that. And then this one named proxy server, right click on that, left click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. Now we can close out of this. And if we try and go back onto the internet, and we try and go to google.com, we see that we are good to go. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.